Today we're in Jackson to open the East Washington Street Bridge over the Grand River. And just a few months of construction, 60 days to be exact, this critical bridge linking east and west sides of Jackson is open again. So the investment here supported jobs. It'll ensure that Michiganders can safely get where they need to go. And it's part of a larger MDOT bridge bundling pilot program to fix bridges, including 19 in 2022 alone.
I think we all kind of can get the sense of what it's like to have such a great project completed. You know, one of my colleagues said to me, you get a whole new respect for what these guys do. You always appreciate them, but when you can sit and watch a project for 60 full days, watch them do that, take it apart, every piece of it, and then rebuild every piece of it, it was fascinating to see. We got to sell them about 600 foot of PVC conduit for the project. You know, typically we don't sell a lot of material to a municipal project like that. We'll partake in some small business around town and such, but not a large MDOT project like that. So it was wonderful to do that.
We have not slowed down when it comes to rebuilding infrastructure. And so to see projects getting done on time, on budget, this shows we're rebuilding our state, we're moving fast, and I think as you compare Michigan to other states, we're going to be compared favorably for the first time in a long time. People are seeing we are serious, we're moving fast, and we're fixing problems.
Innovation is important, whether it's bundling projects such as this, the design build. We need to be reflective of what is best in our communities. And as we stand here in the city of Jackson with our fine mayor, it's exciting to be in the city of Jackson, but I can tell you the same projects are taking place in our rural townships. And those are the farmers and the families that travel those days on a regular basis, those roads on a regular basis, that are being impacted as well.